Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on thrilling adventures through the natural world, exploring its wonders and unraveling its secrets. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're diving into the depths of the ocean to encounter one of the most fascinating and mysterious creatures out there, the vampire squid. These deep-sea dwellers have captivated scientists and the general public alike with their unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. But what exactly are vampire squid? Simply put, they are a species of small, dark-colored cephalopods that inhabit the oxygen-poor waters of the eastern Pacific Ocean. They're significant in the natural world because they've adapted to survive in environments where most other animals would perish, making them an important component of the deep-sea ecosystem. The vampire squid was first scientifically documented in the late 19th century by German zoologist Carl Kuhn, who described it as a living fossil due to its primitive characteristics. Since then, our understanding of this species has evolved significantly thanks to the work of researchers like Dr. Bruce Robertson, who has spent decades studying the biology and ecology of deep-sea cephalopods. From a scientific perspective, vampire squid belong to the order Vampiromorpha, which is thought to have diverged from other cephalopod lineages over 300 million years ago. They're characterized by their pair of retractable, thread-like filaments that they use to capture prey, as well as their unique ability to turn their skin into a cloak of darkness by expanding their skin cells to cover their bioluminescent spots. This adaptation allows them to blend in with the dark surroundings and avoid predators. Research has shown that vampire squid are skilled predators that feed on small fish, crustaceans, and other invertebrates. They use their filaments to snare prey, and then bring it back to their mouth using a pair of flapping fins that create a sort of jet propulsion effect. This unique mode of locomotion allows them to move efficiently through the water, even in low oxygen environments. One of the most fascinating aspects of vampire squid biology is their ability to survive in oxygen-poor waters. They achieve this by using a pair of highly efficient gills that allow them to extract oxygen from the water, as well as a slow metabolism that helps conserve energy. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as the deep-sea environment is characterized by low oxygen levels and intense pressure. Despite these advances in our understanding, there's still much we don't know about vampire squid. For example, very little is known about their mating habits or early development stages. Researchers have observed that they seem to have a unique way of communicating with each other using bioluminescent signals, but the exact nature of this communication is still unclear. In terms of ecological relationships, vampire squid play a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem. They're both predators and prey, serving as a link between different trophic levels. Their ability to thrive in low oxygen environments also makes them an important component of the ocean's carbon cycle. Unfortunately, vampire squid are often caught accidentally in deep-sea fishing gear, which can harm local populations and disrupt the balance of the ecosystem. As we explore the world of vampire squid, it's essential to consider the conservation implications of human activities on their habitat. The deep sea is a fragile and largely unexplored environment, and our actions can have unintended consequences on the delicate balance of this ecosystem. For example, the use of deep-sea trawling gear can damage seafloor habitats and disrupt the food chain, while climate change can alter the distribution of oxygen in the ocean, making it even harder for vampire squid to survive. They remind us of the awe-inspiring diversity and complexity of life on Earth and the need to protect and preserve our planet's precious biodiversity. So, the next time you hear about the deep sea or vampire squid, remember that there's always more to discover, more to explore, and more to learn from these alien-like creatures that call our ocean home. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time. May your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.